This is an unboxing of GIA, a beautiful RENE of Paris pixie wig with fabulous, really short-cut layers. It's really chic and really stylish, but let's see what she looks like straight out of the box. That might be a different story. So here's GIA straight out of the box, and I've done nothing to her as yet. All I've done is put her on my head. She has this lovely wispy bang that you can draw across to one side of your face. She's already looking pretty styled. I'm pretty happy with this already. I'll just give you a 360 view of her before I've done anything to her, because this is an unboxing. What the wig looks straight out of the box and straight onto our head. Now, she's a little bit poofy up there. As I say, she's straight out of the box. So let's have a play with her and see what I can do. The first thing I want to do is trying to get rid of this nesty permatease that I can see down that left-sided part. So I've just got a wide tooth comb, and I'm just going to move those fibres around down that left side of the part. And just get in under there. And when you put a wig on like this that has a lot of short fibres on it, just run your thumbs around under the wig cap, around your ears and around the back to make sure that you're releasing any of those fibres that are stuck. I had quite a few stuck in there over on this side, so that's really important because this wig is really chic. You can pull these fibres down and accentuate your cheekbones on both sides, and there's quite a nice length of hair down onto the nape that covers up the base of the wig and any of your own neck hair. This wig has a lot of layered textured curls just on the crown around here. Now all I've done with this wig is mess her up a little bit on the top with my wide tooth comb, and I've also run my fingers through at the back just to get a bit of action happening in there. And it's always a really great idea to have a mirror that you can hold at the back of your head so that you can really see what's going on there before you walk out the door. Particularly with one of these shorter wigs, you want to make sure that there's none of your own hair hanging down underneath, and you really want to make sure with these shorter wigs that you have the bottom part of the cap covered by those wig fibres. So let's look at the cap construction on GIA. GIA is really just really basic standard cap wig, machine made on the top and wefting. It does have an extended nape which has a bit of a velvety feel. It's quite soft. There's a little line of fuzzy material across the top of the forehead, and it has the bra strap type of adjusters there, and this part here is where the permatease is contained, and that is what's going to give GIA her automatically sculpted look, so that you can look like you've just walked out of the salon. But this is GIA Unboxed. Make sure to look on my wig channel for my upcoming full review on GIA, where I style her up and get into a few different outfits so that you can really make the best use of this wig. Just put on a pair of funky earrings and get out there and have fun. YouTube will have something selected here just for you.